Vue Component is a gem built by the GitHub team to make Rails Vue layer handle a bit more like React components. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why I think Vue Component is awesome and you should be using it in your projects. When you learn to break down your UI into components, you can make it a lot more reusable and just have these building blocks that you can piece together to make your apps even faster. So when you get handed a new design, instead of breaking it down into something concrete and very specific, when you learn to break things down into components, you build up this library of building blocks that you can use over and over again throughout your app. In my mind, this is the biggest advantage of Vue Component, thinking in this reusable and composable way. Slots let you make advanced components like modules, where you can have a header, content, and a footer as all separate sections, and maybe some of those are optional as well. Check out this modal window with all these different slots for header, content, and a footer. I've got another video on how to create modal windows using Hotwire and zero JavaScript. I'll pop a link to it in the description and you can check it out after this one. Vue Component has been benchmarked and is 10 times faster than using Rails partials in real world use cases. I haven't measured this myself. Performance isn't really something that we struggle with in most of the apps that I make. However, I do trust that GitHub have measured this properly because I'm sure that's something that they do struggle with. We often build documentation around design systems. Vue Component does exactly that. We can have this mini library of all our components, how they can be used, and how we can piece them all together to form a complete feature or flow. This can be really useful for onboarding new team members. I really like fast tests, and testing Vue components in isolation is awesome. You don't even need to be that thorough depending on your use case. You might just pass in a bunch of inputs and assert that no errors happen. I hope you can see how powerful Vue Component can be when put into practice. I don't really like including lots of gems in my Rails projects because I don't want to slow them down, but a gem like this, used extensively at a massive organization like GitHub, fills me with confidence that it's going to be well maintained and very performant. Let me know in the comments what you think of Vue Component and if you'll be trying it out, or maybe you already have. And if you like this content and want to see more, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see a more hands-on approach to setting up and installing Vue Component, check out the video here.